Water Trine, this is your reading for February 2023. I've already put out a video there for 2023 predictions for you. Join me on this journey. Sign up, share, and subscribe. Water Trine, this is your reading from Astrology for the Tarot Lenormand Creation Pack 9 for March 2023. And your reading begins with 14, 36, and 34. And this is your past. You had burdens to bear. Somebody was manipulating you. They were manipulating your business, your finances, your prosperity. And that was the cross you had to bear. Was it fate that this happened to you? Was it innocence or weakness on your part? The fox speaks to something working wrong, some sly behavior, whether it's from yourself or people around you. It was your burden to bear, but it affected your prosperity, it affected your business, it affected your finances. Do you know what that manipulation is about? Water Trine, because this is your reading, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is the past for you. What was that slyness that brought this burden, this weight, this cross to bear that you had, that you have left in the past, but it affected you, it affected your resources, it affected your finances, your relationship. And in the present, you have the ship, a tree, and the mountain. And again, here you have obstacles, Water Trine. You are leaving, you are trying to relocate, but you are looking for health, healing, growth, spirituality. But the mountains, they are going to give you some kind of obstacle, some kind of block. What mountain do you have to climb at the present? Because you were sly or somebody were manipulating you, you affected your finances or they affected your business, and you are now on this journey to relocate, to probably begin anew, to put deep roots somewhere else. But you still have more obstacles to overcome because you may have lost a lot in the past that has brought you to the present and this future where you are seeking new journeys, you are seeking new travel, you are seeking foreign places. Is it a new start that you want to put down your roots? And what are the obstacles? Is it that you do not have the financial aid or support to make that move? Is it that you still carry that burden, that cross from the past that you had? Is it affecting you in the present here now? And the future says it's going to be final with this commitment and this business, so that you are going to make the changes. You are going to make the changes and you are going to have small joys. The small things in life are going to give you happiness. It's going to give you luck. It's going to give you good fortune when you understand that it has to come to an end. That the manipulation from whomever or yourself has to come an end. You have to travel, you have to relocate, you have to make new routes, you have to overcome those obstacles that are guiding you or keeping you here in the present, because in the future the finality is there. And this coffin has come up in maybe 3 of the trines for this March month. So there's a lot of endings that are happening in March month. And probably if you are further interested, and others, you can probably look at my transit video for March 2023, which will probably give you a further insight into why everything is so final and coming to an end for a lot of the trines, for 3 of the trines, I believe, if I recall correctly, in this March month. But that 25 tells you that your contract, your relationship with your business, with your partners, with your finances, it's going to come to an end. It's going to come to an end, and that end will bring you the small joys in life that you can now probably take that step further for you to understand the happiness, and that the small joys mean something in this life and not the big things. Let us see what sick me is a wounded healer. And this is so interesting. This wounded healer is saying that you are wounded, and You can heal yourself. There's nothing wrong with it. You are wounded. You have made mistakes. People have done you wrong. You have had enemies who have crossed your path and created burdens and crosses for you to bear. But it is okay. You are wounded, but you can heal yourself. And you can heal yourself by letting go. Letting go, taking that journey, taking that travel, changing your environment. Go foreign, as they say. You know, it could be from one Caribbean country to the next. It could be from Asia to Europe. It could be from Europe to the Middle East. You know, what is your joy? What is your guide? What is your destiny? You know what you want, so go for it. Heal yourself, and you are going to get those small joys in life. Let us see what the Bhagavad Gita, infamy. And infamy says it's your duty, your responsibility to do what is right for you and what is right for others. Because, when you are infamous, it means that you have fallen. Something that you know was wrong and you went ahead and embraced it anyway is what pulled you down. That you are now in this environment of infamy, of being infamous, of destroying your good name, as it were. So don't hold on to things in the past where people may feel that you did them wrong, and that it's really your union, your partnership, your business, your finances that really threw a wrench in the wheel, that gave you those crosses. And now you are saying that, you are infamous in certain circles. Take that step to start anew, to build new routes, to travel, to overcome those obstacles, bring a final end to whatever it is that is giving you that burden, that cross. And the ring tells you, it's about a relationship, it's about a contract. And the clover tells you, okay, once you let that go, once you make that decision to do what you have to do, you are going to enjoy the small joys in life. And infamy and sikme from the African goddess diaspora is telling you this. Wounded healer, heal yourself. You maybe have been trying to help others and it just didn't work out because of the manipulative fox, the slyness of a partner or yourself that brought about that downfall. So you are getting this chance to relocate, to change your environment, to change your thinking, to change your perspective. And the word here is to take it. Take it and move on. Grow in a new world, grow in a new place, and don't become infamous as a wounded healer. Okay, Water Trine, this is just a reminder for you again to sign up, share, subscribe. Check me out at zidamastrology.com, and Bhagwan's blessings again. I give all thanks to him, and I thank you for listening and hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy and healthy, and I urge you to look at my video again for your 2023 predictions, which is on my YouTube channel. Take care until we meet again.